points by Mr. Molina. One shot by Mr. Okay, Mr. Polino. Diretso lang. Becomes number 4, Stewie. Pinatong sa labas. Mr. Morales blocked by Mr. Stewie. Okay, Mr. Melo rebound and to Patrick Simon. Pass to Melo man. Number 3 up. White ball. Parang Orlando Magic sa uniform niya ngayon na legend na.
Patay tayo dyan. Dadali na. Maglalaro ka pa? Oo. Gusto ko mag-6-6. Paubayan nyo na sa amin.
3 points by Sagun.
Bukla na kayo.
3.
Kasi this season, akin yung trophy. Last season.
Saan nila?
Take that.
Okay.
Likod!
Here comes Mr. Taylor shooting for 3. No good. Rebound by Mondina. Pass to Mr. Mighty Mouse. Morales to Roque. No good. Rebound by Taylor Stewie. Pass to Manansala.
Ating ka palang makanita, bra?
The score is 5-2. Substitution after first free throw. Alright, pass it down. With Gonzalez out. And one shot by Mr. Sniper. Good. Kala ko miss night lang to. Meron Euro step pala. Alright, Torino. Pass to Captain Medina. Back to Torino for 3. 3 points by Mr. Torino. Here comes Mr. Patrick Simon to Glenn to Sagun for 3. Good rebound by Rocky. And pass to Mr. Morales. 2 points by Mr. Mighty Mouse Morales. Okay, Escalante. Jan Escalante. Pass to Mr. Leo.
Ay, sinerwas.
Wow, nice move. Rebound by Mr. Mondina. Ahead pass again to Mr. Mighty Mouse Morales. 2 points again by Mr. Austin. Mighty Mouse Morales. Jan Escalera, wala po. Wala tayo. Escalera, Escalante. Mr. Melo na po yun. There's to be rebound by Roque. Torino. Pass to Mr. John Molina. To Austin Morales. To Roque. Oh! Pinali ko ni Mr. Roque.
Ayun no. Hindi ko lang nakita.
13. Here comes. Whoa. Nice pass to Escalante for three. Rebound by Mayo. No good. Rebound by Mr. Corino. Corino. Nice pass to Mondina. Oh, no good. Rebound by Mondina again. 2 points by Mr. John Mondina.
Baka matagpinaw ka niya.
Comes from Glenn. Nice pass to Escalante. Nice fake. 2 points by Mr. John Escalante. 3 points by Austin. Oh, pinakawalan niyo si Mighty Mouse, ha? That's a rainbow. Shoot. Here comes John Escalante. Pass to the to Mr. Rabuy. No good. Rebound by Lamparas. Marco. A foul. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. It's foul. John Escalante. That's your first foul.
Ito sa Shakers pagkas dito. Ito sa Shakers. Pagtapos mo ito. Dito pa rin. Dalawa. Dito.
1 point. Yeah. Nice. 1 point by Mr. Lamparas. It's no good. Oh, bounce out. Rebound.
Ayun na.
Good save. Mr. John Mondina.
Yeah.
3 points by Roque. Ahead pass again to Mr. Morales. Pinaliwa. 2 points again by Mr. Morales. The score is 22-8. Tambak na po. 3-point shot by Mr. Velo. 2. The Demon Legend for 3. Ang ganda ng takbo ni Mr. Legend. Oh, no good. Rebound by John Escalante. Pamadali. Nice pass to Mr. Manansala. 2 points by Glenn. The sniper, Manansala. You're still also. Up. Good save. Mr. Patrick Sagon to Glenn, the sniper. Double rebound by Lamparas. Good pass to Morales. 3 points. Hindi nyo basta-basta papabayaan kung si Austin the Mighty Mouse. Kasi sigurado ka, para itong kakaiba. Si Jimmy Alapag, para siya mag-block. Ay, Roque. Eto na naman po si Mighty Mouse. Tumira na naman ng 3 points. Another 3. Oh my God, tapak na po ang Team SDS. 28-13. Jump shot, boarding po ni Mr. Glenn. Sniper, 2 points. Good drive by Mr. John, the captain. 2 points. Rebound by Mr. Lamparas. Lamparas. Whoop. Blocking foul. Okay, blocking foul, Mr. Patrick. The Gunners. Sagun. That is your first foul. Second team foul. Yeah, second team foul. Yeah. Alright. Sabi lang. Sabi lang. The score is 30-15. Pasok po yung una, di ba?
Ano nangyari sa...
One more. Pasok yung una.
Ano pa ba? Saan ko yung nag-live?
See the second free throw.
Unity Games.
Okay, pasok ulit.
Ay, naman. Kala ko yun. Nilipat na ako na Hayward mo.
Lipat ka dati.
Ngayon, mag-Hayward na ako.
Then,
Makakabol pa ba ako dun? Games? Nilipat na ako.
okay. Back to the ball game. Nice pass. Hit and go. 2 points by Mr. Glenn Mansala. Score 17-32. 3 points by Mr. Gonzalez. 3 points by Latas Black. Roque to Gonzalez to Mr. Montina. Nice pass to Mr. Colino to Lamparas. Nice play. Up. 3 seconds violation by Mr. Roque. Where you been, eh? Okay, Mr. Stewie. Nice pass again to Mansala.
Legal na daw eh.
Tabang.
The living legend!
Tawag. Sa'yo na po yan. 3 points by Lamparas. No good. Rebound by Roque. Oh, same ball. Same ball. Cruz Colino for 3. No good. Rebound by Melo Rambuy. Mr. Manansala. Pass to Mr. Davis Stewie. Fade away. 2 points by Mr. Stewie. Here comes Medina. Layup. Lovely rebound by Stewie. Pass to John Escalante. Patrick Sagon. To the stack one for 3. By Mr. Sniper. Here comes Lamparas. 3 point shot by Mr. Lamparas. No good. Rebound by Patrick Sagon. Hey, what's up, Mr. Brandon India? Here comes Turnover. Team SES. The score is 22-22. 10-point lead by Mr. Brandon India. Oh, ang galing po ng cameraman natin, Mr. Ernst Flores. Here comes Mondina, up, foul. Foul by Mr. John Escalante. Third foul. Roque. 2 points by Mr. Roque. Here comes Glenn Mansala. 3 point shot again by Glenn. No good rebound by Colino. Zeus Colino. Nice pass to Roque. Lampas ko rebound by Gonzalez. 2 points by Mr. Gonzalez. Good defensive rebound and good putback. Mr. number 8. Here comes Mr. Escalante. Nice pass to Mr. Patrick Sagon for 3. Short. Rebound by Mr. Mondina. John Mondina pass to Mr. Torino. Ganda ng pitch. Nice pass to Mr. Lamparas. Nice pass by Mr. Lamparas to Mr. Roque. 2 points by Mr. Roque. Let's go, let's go. Oh. Pass to Mr. Destiny for 3-point shot by Mr. Deo Stewie. Substitution of Deto. Squirino. John Mondina, the captain, dribbling, season the play. Nice pass to Mr. Roque. Oh, Mr. Roque, 2 points. Points again by Mr. Stewie. The score is 28-40. Here comes Mr. Lamparas. Nice pass up. Steal. Up. Steal by Mr. Torino. 3-point shot by Mr. Torino. No good. Rebound by Gonzalez. 3-point shot by Gonzalez. Lampas po. Rebound by Mr. Lamparas. 2 points. By Mr. Taman. Okay, we can stop now. Stewie. Rebound by Roque. It's by Roque. Mr. Melo. Steal by Mr. Mighty Mouse. Okay, nice pass to Mr. Roque. Steal by Mr. Sagwood to Mr. Stewie. Lampas pa. Still, rebound by Mr. Lamparas. Nice pass to Roque. Nanggigil po si Mr. Roque. Okay, here we are, Mr. Turnover. Bad pass. John Mondina, Captain Mondina. Blocked by Mr. Stewie. Here comes Mr. Sniper Manansanap. Pass to Mr. Escalante. Back to Mr. Sagwood. Okay. Three-point shot by the Mellow Man. DJ United, Macho Man. Ang dami po ng tawag dito. Mr. Macho Man. Okay, Gonzalez for 3. Short. Masipag. Here comes Mr. Manansala! The sniper! Sinipat, assassinate po yun, in-assassinate. 10-point lead, here comes the Mighty Mouse. Nice pass to Mr. Lamparas. Short, rebound by Mr. Escalante. Sinet po, Sinet. Nice pass to Mr. Patrick Sagwood. Back to Mr. Rabuy. Drive, no good. Rebound by Escalante. 2 points by Mr. Escalante. Number 1. Pass to Mr. Morales. 3-point shot by Mr. Morales. That's your first miss, Mr. Mighty Mouse. Salmon. Mr. Salmon. Escalante. Oh, still. Datak po yata to. Datak. Okay. Easy 2 points by Mr. Lamparas. The Marco Polo Lamparas. 2 points. Sniper. The sniper. 3-point shot. Lampas mo. Rebound by Gonzalez. To Roque for 3. No good. Rebound by Mighty Mouse. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound again by Mr. Lamparas. Pass to Mighty Mouse. Turn. Okay. Sinipan na po ng todo-todo. 3-point shot. 10, 9 seconds to go. 8, 7, 5. Rebound by Roque. 1 again. End of the second quarter. The score is 49-36. And pag-isipan pa namin ni Melo. Melo, kung dalawa-dalawa sa isang team, sa akin, yung pinaka-deserving kasali, siguradong kasali. Yan, okay. 2 points! That's the... Mr. Stewie, 3-point shot! Talaga nagka-animuhan to. First 7 is my choice. What's that 3 seconds violation? Mr. Rocky. The score is 39. Yeah, yes, Mr. Side step. Rebound by Mr. Stewie. To Ramoy. Then Manansala. Okay, sinat po. Nice pass to Mr. Fade away, number. Here comes Mr. Mighty Mouse. 3-point shot by Mighty Mouse again. 3 points by the Mighty Mouse. With Mr. Patrick Simon to Mr. Sniper. After Mr. Escalante, 2 points by Mr. Escalante. Alright, lahat po sa STS may shoot. Okay, Mr. Captain Bandina, pass to Morales, pass to Mr. Roque, 3-point shot by Mr. Roque, no good, rebound by the Mighty Mouse. Steal, here comes John Escalante. John Escalante, nice pasabit! Foul by Mr. Corino. Corino. Alright. There you go. First team foul by team Swish. Swish. First free throw by Escalante is good. That's your first foul, Mr. Corino. The second one, no good. Rebound by Roque. Roque nagmamadali po. Nice pass to Mr. Gonzalez for 3. Lapas po. Pass break. Up. Here comes to Manansala. Manansala for 3. No good. Rebound by Stewie. 2 points by Mr. Stewie. The score is 44-55. 11-point lead. Okay, and one, no good, no. Foul. Who's foul? Taas po ang kamay.
Number 4.
No, okay. Mr. Reyes 2. Yeah, sabi lang. There you go. The first team foul, team STS. Okay, first free throw by Captain Mondina is good. Let's see the second one. The second one, no good. Pasok pala, sorry, it's good. Tina, oh, steal by the captain. It's a 3-on-2, okay. Nice pass to Mr. Roque, Binoban. 2 points by Mr. Roque. Huh? And cast naman na doon. Here comes Mr. Pakistawi, 3-point shot by Melo! Macho Man, living like this for 3. Praktisado po yan sa City Sports. 3 up, block! Here comes the sniper. Good luck. And 2 points by Mr. Sniper Manzana. Here comes Roque. The score is 49-59, 10-point lead. Here comes Roque. To Mikey Mas. 2 points. 2 points. Foul. Living legend foul. Okay, foul. That's your second team foul. First foul by Mr. Living Legend. Discounted, right? N1? That's N1? Okay. Counted? Okay. 3-point play. The score is 49-61. Different play yun, ha? N1 and 3-point play. Bypass. Mighty pass again. For 3. Loose ball foul by Mr. Gonzalez. That's your second team foul. It's your first foul, Mr. Gonzalez. Substitution. Lamparas. Ian Gonzalez out. Now, number 7, Patrick Tegar Sagan to sniper back to Mr. Sagan. Pass to Mr. Melo. Oh, short. Oh, good save. The Melo Man. Galit na galit. Gigil po si Mr. Raboy. 2 points by Mr. Melo. 51-62. Here comes Roque. Foul. And 1. Foul, Mr. Raboy. That's your second foul. 2 points by Mr. Roque. And plus bonus, let's see. Tingnan natin ang bonus free throw by Mr. Roque. First shot. No good. Rebound by Mr. Stu. Pass to Mr. Glenn Mansalan to Stewie, to John Escalante. Melo, no good. Steal by John Escalante to Deo. Stewie. Nice fadeaway shot. Oh, no good. Rebound by John.
See.
John. Okay. Ganda naman dito yung muna. Foul by Deo Stewie. That's your 14 fouls. Stewie, second foul. Let's see the free throw by Mr. John. No good. Let's see the second one. Second free throw by Mr. John Medina is good. 1 point. The score is 65-51. To John Escalante for 3. Pushing foul. Huli po sa camera. It's pushing. Foul by Mr. Stewie. Here comes Captain Montina to Roque. Pass. Steal by Mr. Raboy. Here comes Mr. Patrick Sagan. teams, time out, time out. SD team. Tuan-tuan bos Mr. Jan dan stealnya 2 points by Captain Jan Mundina. Jan Escalante. Pass to Jan, back to Mr. Glenn. To Deo, 40, no good. Rebound by Deo. Glenn Manasala for 3. Sniper Manasala again. Naka 3 points po ulit. Up. Corino. 3 points set. Rebound by Jans. Patrick Sagan. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Nice pass by Manasala. Rebound by Corino. Corino. All the way. Rebound by Patrick. 10 seconds. Manasala for 3. No good. Rebound by Mighty Mouse. 5 seconds. 4. 3-point shot. Boom. Wanda. Fourth quarter. Stop player eh. Kaya na magsapatos. Alright, back to the ball game. 3-point shot by Manansala, no good. Rebound by Jan Escalante. 3 points by Mr. Jan. Over the board. Backboard. Black team ball. Okay, here comes Mr. Mondina. Captain John Mondina. Okay, sit down to play. Pass to Mr. Gonzalez. Nice pass to Morales. To Morino. Up. Mondina for 3. No good. Rebound by... Okay, white ball. Scramble rebound. Napunta po sa team SDS. Yeah. Up. Tingnan po na yung shot. Up. Stewie. Nice pass to Justin. Ganda po nung pass ni Mr. Stewie. No look pass. Escalante, 2 points. Nakuha ba sa camera yun? Magandang pasa po yun. No call. By the left, 3-point shot by Morales. No good. Rebound by Stewie. Siguro nakaka-double-double niya yata si Stewie. We'll see. Foul by Morales. Sabi lang. Foul by Mr. Morales. That's your first foul. Mighty Mouse Morales. Yeah. Okay. Hello, Mr. Timor Tag Hollers. Mr. Kirby Holland, the captain ball. Sino bang kalaban nyo? Okay, the pistolero. Hindi na pa yun din dyan. Pasok po pareho, rep. Isa lang pumasok. Okay, 1 point by Mr. Escalante. Morales for 3 again. Short. Good rebound by Mr. Maguli. And pass to Mr. Escalante. Escalante, okay, good defense by the captain, John Mondina. Here comes the players to me. Oh! Nice pass to Escalante, 3-point shot! 3 points by Escalante. Here comes Black by Stewie. Here comes Escalante to pass back to Sagun. Fake, no good. Rebound by John Mondina. John Mondina, nagmamadali. John, nice side step, beauty step. Rebound by Nice pass to Mr. Medina. No good. Rebound, nice to win. Oh, dami po nun. Nasa lubuhay. Escalante, kahit side step. Ang lakas. Rebound by Mr. Gonzalez. Nice pass to puro nice pass na lang one. No good. Rebound. Oh, white ball. Sub left sub. Time out. Time out na. Ay, 3 points by Glenn Manansala! 3! The score is 63. 9-point lead. Up. Okay, good. Smart move here by Mr. Silscurino. Okay, steal by Mr. Stewart. Here comes Sagu. Nice pass to Glenn Manansala for 3. No good. Rebound by Stewart. Drive out foul by Gonzalez. That's Abila. Second team foul. That's your second foul, Mr. Gonzalez. Oh, steal by Gonzalez. Good steal. Good anticipation. Here comes Mr. Lamparas. Sidestep move. 2 points by Mr. Lamparas. 3 points by Rapoy. The score is 66-74. Yeah, man. 3 points by Mighty Bass. 3 points by Mighty Bass. 40. 2 points by Mighty Mouse Morales. Okay, Rapoy. Nice, right? Nakaligtas po kayo na. Yung ano yun na. 2 points by Mr. Rapoy. Here comes Roque. Nice pass to Mr. Morales. Pass to Gonzalez. Oh, turnover! Sub Gonzalez. Here comes number 22, Sniper. Pass to number 7, Patrick Sagon. Pass to phase 2. Up to Melo Rapoy. Drive up. No good. Rebound by Lamparas. Mr. Lamparas. Pass to Roque. 3 points by Mr. Roque. 3 by Mr. Roque. Here comes Mr. Sniper to off. Mr. Rapoy. Foul by Robin. 13 foul. 2 shots by Mr. Living Legend. First shot by Rapoy is good. Let's see the second one. The second one is good. 1 point for Rapoy. The score is 79-69. Medina. 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Lamparas. Oh. Wow! Nice pass, 2 points by Mr. Lamparas. Three points by Glenn Manansala. John Escalante. Nagmamadali. Give the ball. Same ball. 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining. Yeah, stop. 3.5. Patrick Sago, 1-3. Okay, here comes number 7. Pass to okay, 11 second shot clock. Here comes Stewie for 3. 3! What is this, Stewie? Foul. Who's foul? Who's foul? Okay, Escalante. No, penalty. No penalty. Yeah, it is. Okay. Go. Glenn. Foul. Stop. Who's foul? Number 4. Yeah. It's on? Wow, it's on! Oh my goodness! This is a really good game. Never say die in SBS. Alright, Escalante. Okay, stop. 29 seconds to go. Tama na yan. Okay, start. Pass to Patrick Sago. 40 seconds shot clock, 30 seconds, 12 seconds. Steal! And 1, stop. Ang ganda ng laban. Mr. Rocky. On the speed roll. No good. Okay, ready na po. Foul. 13 seconds to go. It's okay. Wala pa po. 13 foul pa lang. 13 foul. It's a 13 foul. Foul. Stop. Escalante. 14 fouls. 8 seconds to go. 14 fouls. Foul. 15 fouls.
23. 2-3.
Okay, 23. 15 fouls. Last foul is a penalty. Next foul. Foul. Okay, penalty rep.
Hey, get the rebound.
Raboy, that's your third foul.
1 and 1.
It's penalty 1 and 1. So what we know, it means rebound. First shot is good. Let's see the second one.
Hey, 1.
Timeout by Stewie. It's a 3-point lead by Team Swish City. Seconds to go. lang din, ang gandang ginawa ng STS.